Okay, so now know what is offensive, defensive, GRC, GRC, and all. Okay, GRC is another field. Let me talk about GRC also. Governance, risk, and compliance. See, there is one more field in cybersecurity which is called as GRC, governance, risk, and compliance. They are not offensive people, they are not defensive people. They are the person who are trying to make or maintain governance structure of your company. They are the one who will create policies of your company, cybersecurity policies, procedures. Okay, they are the one who will do the documentation. Okay, they are the one who will perform the risk assessment. What are cyber risk of my company? What kind of different cyber attack can happen in my organization? They are the one who will go and audit everything, each and everything in your organization, and they will try to evaluate what are the cyber risks of my company. They are the one who are taking care of compliance of company. So in corporate, what happens, guys, there are different standard cybersecurity standard which every organization has to follow. For example, cybersecurity has a standard called ISO 27001. Very, very popular, very, very well known. What this standard says, it says around 80 to 85 different rules. Understand in this way. There are different 80 to 85 rules in corporate. It talks about, let's say somebody has joined your company. So from a security point of view, you should do his background verification. You should have a policy. Okay. Let's say your IT team, how you are maintaining the password. Your password will be of that much length. It should have big capital letter, small capital letter, this thing, that thing. You would also observed when you are trying to log in somewhere, you will have one capital letter, one special character. So these all things has to be derived as per some standard. For example, ISO 27000 is one of them. If you are taking some material from some of the supplier, so what kind of security measures you should take? So it has made some of the framework. It's a framework which has made some 80-85 rules. Understand in this way. Every organization, if you want to get this certification, you have to follow all the direction whatever ISO 27001 has said. Then once you follow this all the guidelines, external auditor will come and he will audit and he will check each and every control whether it is happening in your organization properly or not. If it is happening properly, then he is going to give you the certification like, okay, your company is ISO 27001. So GRC are the people who are going to manage this, maintain this, and ensure that the compliance requirements are met in organization. So that's about third field in cybersecurity, which is GRC. Okay.